This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do a routine to reduce, if not end, your plantar fasciitis. This helps with knee, ankle, and foot pain. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? This routine does have multiple steps and is more effective the more consistently you do it. First step in this routine is to soak for 15 minutes in warm or hot water. If you want to kick it up a notch, you can use Epsom salt. Make sure to use something that lets you get as much of the calf as you can, since plantar fasciitis starts in the calf muscle. You follow that soaking up with the calf wall stretch. To do this stretch, you just need a wall. Make sure to get as close as you can to the wall. Catch your toes on the wall and then lean forward. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, release, and repeat 2 more times. Even if the plantar fasciitis is only on one side, I still advise doing the stretch for the other calf too. Many people start out just one side, and as the first gets better, the other calf develops it. The third step is to foam roll a heel and foot. I suggest a golf ball. You can do this standing or seated based on your ability to balance. Standing will make it more intense. When you find a sore spot, don't be afraid to hang out there. The rule is you want to foam roll hard enough to feel it, but not calling out to your chosen deity for mercy. Do this step for 2 to 5 minutes. The last step is using ice for 15 minutes. I used ice packs, but hey, you can do an ice bath if that works best for you. If time is an obstacle, you can do 2 things instead. Instead of the stretch, you can do gentle movements like ankle circles or the alphabet while soaking. You can also fill a water bottle 3/4 of the way full and put it in the freezer. Once completely frozen, use this instead of a golf ball and foam roll while you ice. Still do that for 15 minutes though. If you want to kick it up a notch, add the gentle movements before you stretch, and you can foam roll the calf muscle too. Do this routine at least once a day for the best results. I have clients that do this while they eat dinner or are watching TV. Don't be afraid to be creative with how you can squeeze it in. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.